previous video, we have discussed the problem of maximization of profit in a monopoly firm. If you have observed, in the problem there was no constraint. In this video, we will consider a case of optimization with an equality constraint. We will consider the function of utility from economic theory. Utility means satisfaction derived when needs are fulfilled. The main objective of a consumer is to maximize the utility or satisfaction. But the consumer has a restriction, and that is given by the budget. Within limited money or budget, a consumer has to try to attain maximum satisfaction. Let us try to solve this problem using the technique of optimization. Suppose a consumer's utility function is given by u is equal to 18xy plus 9y, subject to the budget constraint 6x plus 3y equal to 15. The question is, what quantity of the two goods should the consumer purchase so that utility is maximized? Can you relate this problem to any concept you have learned so far? Yes, this is a problem of optimization with equality constraint. Maximizing the utility function subject to the budget constraint requires us to construct the Lagrange function. The first order condition requires first differentiations to be equal to 0. Now, partially differentiating the Lagrange function with respect to x, y and lambda and equating to 0 gives the three equations. Can you find the values of x and y? In order to prove that the values of x and y maximize the utility, the second order condition requires the bordered Hessian determinant to be positive. Can you find the value of the bordered Hessian determinant? It can be seen that the bordered Hessian determinant is positive. Therefore, the consumer will have to purchase 1 unit of x and 3 units of y so as to maximize the utility. And the maximum utility is 81. What happens if the consumer purchases 3 units of x and 1 unit of y? Let us substitute the values of x and y in the budget equation. The total budget is equal to 21. That exceeds the amount of money available. So, the consumer cannot purchase this combination because it is beyond the budget. What happens if the consumer purchases 2 units of x and 1 unit of y? Again, substituting the values of x and y in the budget equation, we get the budget equal to 15. In this case, the consumer can purchase this combination. Now, let us substitute the values in the utility function. We get utility equal to 45. Will you purchase this combination even though it is within your budget? So that was a lot of graphs, equations, models and calculus. But as the saying goes, practice makes a man perfect. You can master the language of mathematics with practice. Here is the trick. Try to use the mathematical techniques in your day-to-day life and the world around you, and see the models take shape on its own. So see you next week. Till then, enjoy life and keep learning.